Hi, we have Osmio Forum tab here, and I will show you how to replace the O-rings which are located at the bottom of the spout. So in order to get access to the O-rings, you need to turn the spout around 180 degrees so that it lifts up and we can replace the O-rings here. We start with the top one. And now the bottom one. So O-rings are now removed, and to fit the new O-rings we start with the bottom one. And followed by the top one. Just to be careful not to damage the O-rings, otherwise the tab might start to leak. So it's possible not to use sharp tools to help to get the O-rings into the groove. So once we have fitted the O-rings, we can use silicone grease just a bit to lubricate the O-rings. And once the O-rings are lubricated, we can push back the spout to the same position, facing backwards, until it's pushed down completely. It cannot go any further in, and then we can just turn it facing yourself, and then the spout will be fixed. Thank you.